Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to create photo and video collage on Samsung smartphone. Let's have a look. First, open Photo Gallery on your Samsung smartphone. This app comes pre-installed on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Touch and hold the first picture that you want to add to the collage. A checkmark will appear on the selected image. Tap on the other images to include them on your collage. You can add or remove images later. You can add up to 6 photos and videos in a collage. With the images selected, tap on the create button on bottom left. This will bring up create menu. Now choose collage. The collage maker will automatically choose one of the collage layouts. You can choose another layout. Check the layout one by one. You can drag and replace image. You can change aspect ratio of collage. You can add more pictures or videos. You can replace and delete photo. Also, you can edit photo. When you are satisfied with it, tap Save button at the top to download the collage. Go back to gallery and you will see your collage photo or video. So these are the steps to create photo and video collage on Samsung smartphone. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.